New 10 Honda brand motorcycle under 1000 cubic centimeters. (2024) Honda CB500X. The 2024 Honda CB500X starts at $7,299 or 9,286 Canadian dollars. Engine, 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin DOHC engine, power, 46.9 horsepower, torque, 31.7 pound-feet, curb weight, 439 pounds. 199 kilograms, seat height, 32.8 in, 831 millimeters, at lowest point. (2024) Honda CB1000R. The 2024 Honda CB1000R starts at $12,999 or 17,336 Canadian dollars. Engine, 998 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine, power, 143 HP. Torque, 76 pound-foot, curb weight, 467 pounds, 212 kilograms, seat height, 32.7 in, 830 millimeters. (2024) Honda Translap 750. Translap 750 price for the US market should come in around the $10,000. Engine type liquid-cooled OHC 4/8 valve, parallel twin with 270 degrees crank and unicam. Displacement 755 cubic centimeters. Power 90.5 horsepower at 9,500 RPM, maximum torque 55.3 pound-foot. At 7,250 RPM, seat height 33.5 inches, curb weight 458.6 pounds. (2024) Honda X-adv 750. The 2024 Honda X-adv 750 price is £11,199. Engine displacement, 745 cubic centimeters, engine type liquid-cooled 4/8 valve, SOHC parallel 2-cylinder, maximum power output 43.1 kilowatt, 6,750 RPM, 35 kilowatt, 6,000 RPM, maximum torque 69 Nm, 4,750 RPM, 65 4,000 RPM, bore time stroke, millimeter, 77 mm x 80 mm. Compression ratio 10.7, 1 oil capacity, liters, 4.0 L. (2024) Honda CTX 700 DCT. Honda CTX 700N DCT MSRP, $8,399, model type, sport touring, seat height 718.8 mm, 28.3 in, ground clearance 130 mm, 5.1 in, dry weight 217 kilograms, 478.4 pounds, ABS 227 kilograms, 500.4 pounds, fuel capacity 12 liters. (2024) Honda CB650R. The 2024 Honda CB650R starts at $9,399, $11,236 Canadian dollars. Engine type, 649 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder. Bore and stroke, 67.0 mm x 46.0 mm, compression ratio, 11.6:1, valve train, DOHC, for valves per cylinder, dimension, 2.128 by 784 by 1.076 mm, fuel tank capacity, 15, 4 liters. (2024) Honda CL500 Scrambler. 2024 Honda CL500 Scrambler, approximately $7,500. Engine type, liquid-cooled DOHC 4-4 valve 2-cylinder. Max power, 46.2 PS at 8,500 RPM, max torque, 43.3 Nm at 6,000 RPM, front brake, disc, rear brake, disc, gearbox, 6-speed. Fuel capacity, 12 liters. (2024) Honda CRF450R. 2024 Honda CRF450R prices MSRP $11,099, engine type 450 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder, bore and stroke, 96.0 mm x 62.1 mm, compression ratio, 13.5:1. Valve train, Unicam SOHC, for valves per cylinder, fuel capacity, 6.3 liters. (2024) Honda CRF450R Rally, prices $6,149, $6,449. ABS model, engine type, for stroke, liquid-cooled, DOHC, displacement, 286 cubic centimeters, brake type, front hydraulic disc brake, brake type, rear hydraulic disc brake. Tire size, front 80 divided by 100 minus 21 m divided by C 51p, tire size, rear 120 divided by 80 minus 18 m divided by C 62p, curb weight, 150 kilograms, seat height, 893 millimeters, ground clearance, 277 millimeters, fuel tank capacity, 12.8 L. (2024) Honda Super Cub 125, displacement, 125 cubic centimeters. 2024 Honda Super Cub 125 MSRP, $3,749. Maximum power, 9.06 horsepower, engine type, single-cylinder, for stroke, air-cooled, SOHC. Compression ratio, 9.3:1, maximum torque, 9.7 Nm, exhaust pipes, single exhaust, no. Of strokes, for stroke, top speed, 88 km/h, drive type, chain drive, bore X stroke, 52.4 mm x 57.9 mm, cooling system, air-cooled. Fuel tank size, 3.7 liters. RPM at maximum power, 7,500 RPM. RPM at maximum torque, 5,000 RPM.